Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Documint for small business in 2026. If you want to save time by automating invoices, contracts, reports, and other business documents, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser, visit the Documint website, and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and complete the initial setup before continuing. Next, create a new template or upload your existing business documents in PDF format. You can use templates for invoices, quotations, contracts, certificates, receipts, or other documents your business uses regularly. Now add dynamic fields for customer names, addresses, invoice numbers, dates, products, services, prices, payment terms, and any other information that changes from one document to another. Next, connect your preferred data source. You can manually enter information, upload spreadsheets, or integrate Documint with Google Sheets, Make, Zapier, or your own application using the API. Once your template is ready, generate a sample document to verify that all fields are filled correctly and the formatting matches your business requirements. After confirming everything works properly, start generating documents automatically whenever new customer or business data is received, helping reduce manual work and improve accuracy. Finally, download or share your completed documents directly with customers or team members and continue updating your templates as your business grows. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Documint for small business step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.